Welcome to Benjamin Obdyke. Today we're going to review the features and benefits of the Slicker Rainscreen line. We strive to help you build better. A rainscreen is critical to all wall installations, dramatically reducing the risk of water infiltration and water damage caused by trapped moisture. There are a variety of options when we're looking at creating a rain screen behind our exterior cladding. One of the best options to create the most drying potential is utilizing our Slicker Rainscreen with our entangled matrix technology. 90% open material allows for most drying potential over that of a conventional furring strip assembly, which reduces the airflow by about 15% given the vertical orientations of the strapping. Slicker Classic is our original rolled rain screen. This product is designed to go over top of a WRB or house wrap and can be used with many different cladding options. Because of the lightweight roll, it is quick and easy to install compared to traditional furring strips, which are very labor intensive and require machine time if you were to rip down traditional plywood. So next in the product line is our Slicker HP. We combined our Slicker Classic with our flat house wrap and thermally bond it to the backside of the Slicker. So this creates a unique two-in-one product that allows for quick installation one time around the house to get your WRB and your rain screen combined in one. Our Slicker Max is the most versatile of our Slicker line. This can be used with all cladding types and comes with a filter fabric that is installed to the exterior or directly behind your cladding. This filter fabric allows moisture to move through the assembly. However, it increases the UV exposure for this product to 90 days before cladding is installed, and also acts as a bug screen when folded over on the bottom and top details of the wall. This can be used and is in compliance with the 2021 IRC code behind stucco and veneered stone applications, and adds more compression resistance when used behind fiber cement cladding. However, this product does need a FlatWrap installation, just like our FlatWrap HP, and this will ensure you achieve the maximum system warranty. Our Slicker system warranty provides a 35-year transferable term, which gives $20,000 for material and labor per dwelling. This system is achieved when we use one of our Slicker Rainscreen components, including our FlatWrap HP, and integrating our windows and doors with any of our HydroFlash products. Thank you for joining us at Benjamin Obdyke, where we strive to help you build better.